Let's look at this red carpet look. So we have Dixie, we have Bella, and here is just looking at when you're doing that little middle part, where do you think it's going to end up? And then also pay attention to the layers and what's going on in your mannequin head. So I'm going to section out section 1, creating that short little middle part, and just making sure that it's even on both sides. Sectioning out section 2 and 3, which are the sides. This is my updosystem.com sectioning system. And sectioning section 4, which is the crown. Section 5 is the back. Now these looks look simple, but they take a lot more time. The boho look is actually easier. So this is the setting lotion mixed with a little bit of water. And even though I'm going down to one quote-unquote bunish look in the back, I'm splitting it in 2. Twisting and then holding on to the elastic, always holding on and switching hands. That creates a nice tight elastic. You don't want to have it too loose. So bringing down section 4 on top of that, and we're going to split this into a few sections as well. This way we can get it nice and smooth and no bumps. Holding it down and putting in your elastics. These are the clear elastics, and you'll see how I kind of really work on this to get it smooth. Dragging those elastics down a little bit so that they're all somewhat closer together. And then you want to make sure that I don't want a part in the back. So I'm just going to smooth that a little to get rid of the part in the back. And again, bobby pinning down so we have a nice, clean, tight base. Bringing back section 2, which is one of the sides. And just using my setting gel. It's a scrunching kind of spray gel, but it works great for really, making these flyaways stick down. So I'm pinning that in. And now the other side. Here I'm just going to put an elastic. It helps to give a little bit more movement with the elastic. The ends aren't pinned so flat to the head. Now just going to work through and see how is this hair going to behave? How, are my ends going to look? If it's a fresh, beautiful layered haircut, you might get like really nice spiky ends, but you'll see that I can sometimes run a comb through it and just working on getting some of those ends straight. And basically from here, it's a matter of twisting your sections up and sculpting, checking from the front, checking your height, as much, pokiness as you want. I am doing a little bit of pulling on those twists and then checking from the front. Just working side to side to maintain your balance, looking for kind of like that see-through texture look. And a matter of just building up. So when you want that nice little tight middle part, you're going to want to drag it down and kind of back, and just so that we can really emphasize that middle part that's really popular. Some of these looks are done just by twisting most of the hair into one look and having just a few ends out, but I wanted to bring it a little bit lower and just kind of add a lot more a lot more texture to it, and the ends, you'll see how they really look pretty with twisting and pinching and pulling. Sometimes if you want to work someone into a new look, you don't want it to go so far different. So it's kind of a mix of a little bit of pinching and pulling in the loose buns, but then the pointiness of the pokey ends. This is for someone who likes to stand out, maybe be the center of attention, maybe a New Year's Eve look. Hairpins are great for spreading things out, dragging the hair so we can hide bobby pins. Here I'm doing a twisting, and I'm going to flatten the ends but kind of curve it. So there's all things you can do. It's just a matter of having fun and building. Just taking that hairpin and moving that around. And just about ready to finish up. You could even add a braid in this look. Just the most important thing is that you do these smooth looking sections so you'll have no bumps and no frizz, and then have fun. Thanks for watching. Visit updosystem.com.